Hello, how are you? We're going to talk about something that is very easy but gives lots of problems to the students. And I'm going to try to explain it to you in a way that you will understand. We're going to start with these verbs that, are me gusta is a verb that gives a lot of trouble to students because it's different in English. In English, you say, I like. And students, it's difficult for them to understand the difference between me gusta and I like. Thing is, the meaning is the same, but the structure is different. The best way to do that is to start with me molesta. Me molesta in English is it bothers me. And it's exactly the same thing as me molesta. You say, I don't know, la música me molesta. So that would be music bothers me. You see, that is the same thing, like music, subject, molesta, verbs, me, to me. What I'm saying is that the main character, the protagonist, the center of attention here is music, not me, right? Well, that's exactly the same thing you're saying with your using me gusta. In me gusta, you're saying it pleases me. No, I like, not I like, it pleases me. So you say la música me gusta, and you say music pleases me. What I'm trying to tell you here is that this is the me gusta structure is the same as it bothers me structure. It's the same idea. The it thing is the subject, is the main characters. In Spanish, the música thing in me gusta is the main character. Music pleases me. That's what you're saying. You're not saying I like music. Another thing that is important, and that's the last thing I'm going to tell you about this, is Spanish is very flexible. So you can say la música me gusta or me gusta la música. It's the same thing. The only thing is that you change the order of the word, but still you're saying music pleases me. So that's the change of perspective you need to try when you're doing me gusta. And here in this chapter you have these verbs that are similar to me gusta, and many of them work at the same in English. For instance, me parece, it seems to me, same thing. Me encanta is like I like a lot, so it pleases me a lot. That's what me interesa, it interests me. So that's the difference. I hope that you can see the difference. So for instance, if I ask you, I'm gonna give you a couple of examples with me gusta still. ¿Te gusta, I don't know, te gusta Madonna? ¿Te gusta Miley Cyrus? Well, what you're saying here, Miley Cyrus pleases you. That's what you're saying. So it's not that the Miley Cyrus likes you. No. Does Miley Cyrus please you? That's what you're saying. It's a change of perspective. It's like, does Miley Cyrus bother you? Is the same thing. So that's the difference between the two, and I hope that you understand that. Another important example is que le gusta a. Here, you're asking what does she like, what is pleasing to her, not you like Miley Cyrus. So you need to, learn to change perspective with me gusta. And these verbs here that we're going to study today, like me molesta, me parece, me encanta, and me interesa, can help you to do that, because many of them are similar to English, to English structure. So I hope that that's going to be useful for you. Okay, thank you, and I will talk to you later. Bye.